Oh my God, this hair is so soft, so beautiful. I absolutely love it. You have to try it. Everyone miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump straight into this hair tutorial where I review a hair company called Beauty Forever. They reached out to me and wanted to send me a hair unit for review. So the hair unit that I chose is this Beauty Forever teapot lace closure wig. It is Brazilian Remy human hair. It is pre-plucked, so it does have baby hairs, and the natural hair color is so pretty. That's what this is, natural hair color. And the density is 150%, and it is in a 16-inch. So it is really manageable, but very pretty. I cannot wait for you all to see how I install this unit by Beauty Forever. Make sure you check out the description box down below. That is where all the links are placed to this hair as well as to Beauty Forever's website. Make sure you check them out on Amazon and check out their social medias. So now let's jump right into this tutorial. Okay, so here is how everything inside the Beauty Forever box looks. The box is very cute, very chic. I love it. This is everything that came inside, and here is a close-up of the hair. I absolutely love the texture. It feels so nice and soft, and I cannot wait to show you all how I style the wig. So I have it on my mannequin. Finally, I got a wig head, finally. So now I'm able to style, I feel like, better, because I can actually like pin it up somewhere and see what I need to do to the wig. The hair feels super, super soft, and it has a middle part. I was gonna try and do a side part, but no. So I'm gonna work with this middle part that it has. There are, as usual, 2 combs on the sides, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap. I'm just gonna be cutting the lace off the back. There's lace on the back of this, which I never really paid attention to. I don't know if all wigs have that or just this one, because previous ones that I've reviewed, I didn't see any lace in the back. This one has lace in the back. So let me just cut this off real quick. Okay, and then I'm gonna try it on, and I'm gonna see how it fits and see everything else. Looks, how it fit. I'm also gonna style it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm gonna style it, obviously. Because it's like kind of wavy, see? And I want it straight, so I'm gonna style it straight. What is my hairline? Hair feels so soft. I can't wait to straighten it. I have my straightener and my hot comb right there because I'm gonna straighten this, no doubt, and I cannot wait to straighten it. So let me just do a few adjustments, and I'll probably speed this part up. Okay, so I moved pretty much all of the hair out of the way, and now I'm going to just lay this right here, just so I can see how the wig is going to fit. That out the way. I'm gonna use the blower. I just used some Got2b gel, so now I'm gonna use the blower to help dry. little bit more got to be glued. Hair to get stuck, like the hair keeps getting stuck. The hair here, the little baby hairs keep getting stuck. Work on the sides. Now for the sides, I'm just gonna cut the part obviously where you can't see my ear and then glue it down. So I need to put this. And I should be able to glue this whole part down. Do the same to the other side, just cut the piece out where I could see my ears. Okay, I'm getting better at it. I'm still learning baby hairs and all that, so I did that off camera so that I can actually like style the wig now, which I am super excited to do. So I will be doing half this way. So I'm gonna put up. And I'm gonna straighten this hair. It looks like it needs to be straight. This foundation. So I took the foundation off and I'm doing here. That's what I did. A little bit. So I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. This hair is so soft, as you can see. It's so hard to even put up because it's so silky soft. So I'll just put this side up. You know, like when hair is too soft and it's like so hard to do anything with because it's just so soft? That's this hair. It's too soft almost. See, no clips will stay in it. I'm gonna have to get a scrunchie. Hold on a minute. Looking for my stuff is like a disaster. Do you ever do that where you have like 10 things, right? And then all of a sudden you can't find anything? And you're like, where did I put all of my stuff? Like, where's my bobby pins? Where's my scrunchies? It was so soft. I linked everything in the description box down below as well in case you want to check anything out. It's so soft. So soft. I'm gonna be speeding this part up, as you know. So here's this side done. It feels so soft and smooth. I put a little bit of this olive oil Hold and Shine wrap set mousse from ORS just because there was some flyaways, but it feels so soft, so smooth. It comes right here. See how long it is? It stops right there. And now I am going to do this side and be right back. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I put a little bit of argan oil in it when I was done flat ironing it. It's right here. Because it was a little bit dry, but it's so, 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 so pretty. I also touched it a bit with the hot comb just to make sure it flattened. It was like really, really flat. But I do have 2 braids, and as you all know, my hair is pretty thick, but I absolutely love this hair. It is so soft, so super, 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 super soft. So here is how it looks up close a bit. I did put some makeup in the part just to make it more realistic. I am gonna work on my baby hair, so don't I'll get better at it. But I absolutely, absolutely love this hair. This side is my best side. This side just laid so easily. This side gave me lots of trouble, but I absolutely, absolutely love it. So let me wrap this up. Okay, that is it for this video. I absolutely, absolutely love this hair. I think it is so soft, so silky, so smooth to the touch, and I absolutely love it. It is so smooth. Even when I put a little bit of argan oil towards the ends, because the ends were a little bit dry, I think it is just so pretty. It soaked up the oil very, very well. The argan oil didn't weigh the hair down and make it too oily, but I absolutely love the shine and the sheen that it gave the hair. It is so pretty. So, 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 so pretty. So I highly, highly suggest you checking out Beauty Forever and see what you think. I will link everything in the description box down below, including all of the details for this hair unit. And perhaps if you are interested, check it out. Click on the link and it'll take you straight to their website. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed me doing this wig install with Beauty Forever hair. Thank you, and I will check you all out in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. And if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday and give an additional video throughout the week sometimes if I can. Thanks again, and I will check you all out very soon. Bye, guys.